Trial.
Presenting the 2008 Nissan Maxima. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle.
Trial.
Better gas mileage means better long-term driving, and this ride delivers with a great low fuel consumption rate. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission.
Trial.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry,
Trial.
power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors, an alarm system. If safety is a high priority, rest
Trial.
assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, low tire pressure warning, independent
Trial.
suspension. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.